Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the new secret hidden features of iOS 18.3. So it was a literally new update and it brings kind of couple of new features. I'll explain you in this video. So this is my iPhone 16 Pro Max and I have enabled Apple Intelligence in it. So there are pretty much new features regarding that. So I'll show you. So the very first thing in the camera application is autofocus lock by the camera control button. How you can do that? First of all, jump to settings, and in the camera settings you will find the camera control option. There you go, and make sure to turn this option on, lock, focus and exposure. So how we can do that? You can already read the description under that. Lightly press and hold, then continue touching the camera control to maintain focus and exposure. So how this works, let me show you. Open the camera app, and we all know how to lock the exposure and the focus, right? There you go. So how we can do that with the camera control button? Now Apple have introduced this feature in the camera control for the 16 series. So how we can do that? Just simply don't press it, just give a light pressure and continue holding it, right? So there you go, it got locked. So that's a simple way to lock the exposure and the focus. So that's pretty much this feature. And what about next one is regarding the Apple visual intelligence. So the guys, now we can like find the animal and any plant species using the visual intelligence. Just launch it and take a photo and it will show you that what plant or what animal it is. So that's a good thing. Apple introducing new tricks and new features to their things. Like they have introduced like Apple Visual Intelligence, but now what we can do, we can add any event to a calendar using the visual intelligence. So let us assume I have a planning for this particular day, and I can take a photo of the event, of the board or the whatever the thing is, and you can add it to your calendar. Now you guys can see here it gave me location. I can just directly jump to maps. I can open the website, and the third thing, I can just simply add to calendar about the event so that it will be reminded, right? So that's a pretty much good thing. And the third update, it's a kind of a few small update with the calculator. So new feature is if I do 7 minus 1, it will be 6, right? So if I click equals to again, it will subtract minus 1. It will subtract 1 from 6 again without adding any or without entering any number like minus 1. Just pressing equals to will do the equation or do the solution whatever we have done at the very first time. If I just again press 1 equals to, it will again subtract 1 from this 5, as you guys can see here, right? So that's pretty much good thing about this. But the way now the next is like that's the pretty much new update or new features. Uh, it, it comes with the new bug fixes like music app bug is fixed now. Type to Siri, the keyboard was not pulling up, it was a bug and it's fixed now. And the third thing I would say, let me show you the Geekbench test. I have done that on the 16 Pro Max, and you guys can see here 16 Pro Max on 18.3 CPU benchmark scores. You can compare it with the other phones like the iPad Pro, iPhone 15 Pros. Your my device score is 8227 with the multi-core. Let me show you the GPU scores, as you guys can see here. So I mean that's pretty good. You can check with the other phones. iPad 11 Pro has the highest with the score, right? So that's the pretty much good thing about the iPhone 16 Pro Max on the iOS 18.3. So this was the video. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.